आरुष।
गुड मॉर्निंग। सर।
कैसे हैं?
अच्छा हूँ सर।
After a very long time, we are meeting again with you, right?
यस सर।
How you are feeling? Comfortable at home?
ग्रेट। यस सर।
Okay. What about you joining? Have you got any joining yet, or it's still pending?
सर स्टिल पेंडिंग।
Waiting for that.
यस सर।
Okay. After final exams, it will come, right?
यस सर।
So how you are feeling? Sitting ideally at the home or uh, enjoying the Corona time?
सर इट्स बीन ग्रेट।
It's being great, yeah, okay. Or what you have done something more after leaving the college and in this period to improve your skills?
यस सर। सर आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन एन semi e-commerce website for somebody else,
Yeah,
uh, and I have done couple of certifications in AI and ML
okay.
from IBM. Certifications from IBM in AI and ML.
Very nice, very nice. Great, great. I think you have got selected in TCS or
TCS.
Wipro? TCS.
TCS.
So what they have told after exam when they'll give the joining or what date, any date they have mentioned or they have not
Sir,
mentioned anything
sir,
yet?
next financial quarter. They are saying next financial quarter.
Next financial quarter. Okay.
October or November.
Because till September your exam will also go on, so might be it can
Yes,
take
sir.
some more time. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What you are feeling when you got a call from college that you have to attend the mock, which the practice which we have not done earlier with your batch and anybody in institute.
Yes.
So how you felt about it?
Sir, it's a good initiative.
It's a good initiative. So nice talking to you, right? After a very long time.
Yes, sir.
Why you thought about Gateway? TCS is one of the best option in India. Why Gateway?
Sir, because TCS was only working on blockchains, and I want to explore other things also, other technologies also. Sorry.
Okay. So
So,
how you seen you feel that Gateway is better option for you?
yes, sir. It's been working on blockchain, machine learning, AI, AR. So it's a good opportunity.
It can be good opportunity for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the website each and everything about the organization or only sitting at the exam and cracking the online test? Nothing more than that.
No, sir. Went through the website once or twice.
Okay. So what do you feel? You feel that you will crack the process. I think you can easily crack.
Sir, I don't know.
Uh, will
Sir,
it be
I'm
tough?
not
Have you seen the
knowledge,
have
sir.
you seen the reviews of the
Uh,
interviews which has happened earlier with the organization? Same.
yes, sir. Sir, in classroom, sir, in multiple website, I've read the reviews.
Okay. How is it?
Sir, it's pretty tough.
Giving package at Udaipur near about 4.5, it may be pretty tough, definitely.
Yes,
No,
sir.
but I think you can easily crack. It will not be an issue at all. No doubt, I have not checked the technical part, but I think you can easily crack the process. And what do you want? What do you want to give message to your junior because they have started their final year, or you already passed out from the institute? So,
Yes.
what is your opinion? Because it'll matter a lot for the juniors who they are sitting today in the forum.
Um, Work on new technologies. TCS is always looking for new technologies. Blockchain is a good option. Machine learning is a good option. Work on new technologies rather than only the traditional ones. Java, PHP, Python. Mostly all of them are working on that. So, but we need to change the perspective. Ki new technologies are also very important.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Have you ever got the news that Bharat also got the offer from Amazon?
Yes, sir.
Is really uh, nice to see the progress of Bharat,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Nice, nice, very nice. So do well. No doubt, I have already know the capabilities what you have. So I'll just give the. I'll request the Rathod sir, because he'll be the new one to know about you more. So it will be easy, or we can also easily understand what capabilities by the way he asked the questions. So I'll over to Colonel MS Rathod sir for the next part of the interview. Right, Arush?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Arush.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Arush.
Good
Yeah.
afternoon, sir.
Firstly, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Please tell me, what is your job profile, or what would be your job profile at Gateway?
Sir, initially it will be a trainee, software trainee,
Hmm.
and afterwards it will maybe in August next year, August it will change from software associate, change to software associate, and after that, normally,
What will that involve? What I am
uh,
interested in, what will your job involve?
so working in teams, developing, help in developing new projects, whatever the company had previously in support. That depends
Okay.
only on training. So,
Okay. I just heard your conversation with Arvind sir, and
yes,
you
sir.
said you are more interested in Gateway uh,
Uh,
than TCS. So how do you compare the job profile between the two and give preference to Gateway than TCS?
So TCS is a good company, but they were only working on old methods. Like they do not have much experience, much projects in newer technologies. Most of the companies are only giving TCS projects of support. Uh, so that's the main reason for me.
Okay, so here you will have better chances of development.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you think, uh, Arush, are the important steps involved in a web development?
Sir, to understand what the client wants from the website to accomplish, developing a base model for that, uh, and brushing through the code again and again to make it more optimized for the users, making it more user friendly websites, so that the user may not face much of a problem while surfing through that, and then finally deployment.
Okay, so what about your approval from the user and all those kind of things? You don't think they are important?
Sir, they are important. Sir, actually, the first thing to consider is what the owner wants, what the client
No,
wants from.
after the client has given you a requirement, and after
Yes,
you do the planning and site mapping and things like that,
yes, sir.
once you reach a stage where you design the page and all those kind of things,
Yes,
don't you
sir.
think it is approval
Sir,
of a
it's,
client?
sir, it's very important actually to actually, as a developer, we feel that what we think is the right way, but what the user wants is completely different, or what
Yeah,
the third party wants is actually pretty tough to understand. Actually, there were case studies
yeah.
that human eyes read
Okay,
from
so
in Z way, so that's the main point.
okay, yeah. So why I was telling you, because I didn't find this point in your this thing, which is a very important. Now you brought out the importance of that point, because continuous interaction with the client is very very important to understand, because his requirements may also keep on changing
Yes, sir.
as you develop, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The
Okay.
client requirement
Uh,
and the user's perspective also changes continuously.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Okay, Vishal, tell me, what are your strong points? Arush,
Uh,
sorry, Arush.
Sir, I'm consistent in whatever I do. Sir, I'm
Hmm.
good at coding.
Hmm.
Uh, Sir, I work from time to time. I submit my assignments from time to time. I keep.
Okay.
I have a tendency to keep my whole day planned. completely
Okay.
from start to end.
Okay. Okay. Arush, how do you plan your day, and what is your present routine?
Sir, wake up at 6:30, go for cycling at 7, come back at 8, uh, do some household chores. Then from 9 start working on the projects that I currently have till 11. Then 11 to 12 I play online video games. At 12 I go and have my lunch. At 2 I sit back again at my laptop. I talk to the person. I talk to the client about the requirements, what I've done the previous night, what I've completed, show him what the progress is. And 6 or 7 I go again cycling for 1 hour and come back, have lunch, have dinner, and sit with my family and sleep at 10:30.
Okay. So you are not much of a social person.
No, sir.
Why?
Uh, sir, sir, I don't know, sir. I never, uh, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Arush, tell me what are the things you would like to improve, and what are the things you would like to achieve in life?
Uh, so for the things I like to improve is, so my communication is not that good. I tend to stutter mostly. So I tend to improve that in future and have a decent
It
job.
seems to be quite okay as far as
Sir,
your communication seems to be quite okay. Please come to some other points.
uh, sir, I get nervous pretty easily. I get cold feet easily. Uh,
Don't seem so.
sir, that is the case.
Okay. What else?
Uh, uh, so that's it. And for the second question, I like to be a manager someday for a small team or big team. That depends. For a company,
Okay.
that's it.
Okay. Okay. Arush, one last
Yes,
question.
sir.
Uh, in a job that you are going to be involved, that is web development or any other related field of CS,
Yes, sir.
what do you think are the most important qualities, if you have to name only three, starting from the top, that are in your mind for a team leader?
Uh, sir, know your employees' potential. Work as a team. Divide the work properly. Every person have a different viewpoint on projects. So divide the project equally so that the person get the right thing to do. The most
And third point?
sir, the most important fields for that person, the major fields for that person. And third, show respect to clients.
Okay, chalo. Okay, Arush. Uh, nice talking to you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Arush,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, good, sir.
Good. How much will you rate yourself in the Java?
Sir, 6 or 7 out of 10.
Sorry,
Sir, 6 or 7 out of 10.
6 or 7 out of the 10. Why
Yes, sir.
not for 10 out of 10?
Uh, sir, I don't think I'm 10 out of 10. That's why.
Okay. What do you know about the multi-scheduling or multi-threading in Java?
So threads are basically So threads are basically short programs, short codes that run. So multi-threading means working on multiple small programs continuously, simultaneously.
So how can we break any program into multiple threads?
Um, uh, Sorry, sir.
Okay, how can we reduce the time complexity of any program?
Uh, Sir, by using recursion, sometimes it works. Using making the loops less complex, using the break statement more condition wise, using the appropriate algorithms.
And other than that,
Uh,
suppose if it is there is a concept, you have applied everything in that, and you have reduced its complexity, it's to optimized value. Even then, I told you to reduce its time complexity. So what other now, other than the coding concept, you will look after?
uh, so in case of Java, we can use scanner class. Instead of using the scanner class, we can use the string buffers. Uh, so that's it.
What do you understand by string buffer? You said that you will use a string buffer.
Uh, Sir, string buffers, sir, actually the strings can be stored in the string pools so that we can extract all the strings simultaneously.
So did you think that you think that using a string buffer will reduce the time complexity?
Sir, in case of from getting the input from the user, scanner class are actually slower as compared to the string buffers. So it would
So,
help
so
some
using
percent.
a string, sorry. Yeah, you continue. Using a string buffer, will you reduce time complexity or space complexity?
Uh, Sir, actually both. String buffers also help in reducing the time complexity by some fractions.
And other than that, when I don't think so, using a string buffer, it will reduce the time complexity. Suppose if you are not working on the strings, then
So that's why I said in some cases.
okay. For any application, when you connect with the database, which driver you require?
Um, Sorry, sir.
So, because if you want to integrate any application, Python, Java, anything with the database, you require a driver, you require a connection.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sorry, sir.
And what is the latest version of Java available now?
Um, Java 8.11.3, I think.
I think you know Java 8 only,
Yes, sir.
but latestly Java 14 is there. So you are skipping around 6 version.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the best, Arush.
Thank you, sir.
Arvind sir, I'm done.
Arush,
Yes, sir.
how it went?
Sir, not good.
Chala, chala. But I'm hopeful that you have the capability to crack the process, right? Because I know your capability, but no doubt you might, or you also might be knowing that where you need to improve, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you seems confident. That is good about you. You're already one offer in your hand, so that it may give positive weightage as well as sometimes it can give the negative weightage also, right?
Yes,
But it will give
yes,
the positive because you have not rejected the offer because of COVID. The things got changed, right? So
Yes, sir.
you are, when you will get the joining, then you will join, right? So that is the positive point. No problem at all. But I think you can easily crack. But some point where you need to work upon, I think you already have the idea.
Yes, sir.
But sometimes, as an engineer, we also have to be socially strong. When you have told that I'm not social, so it also indicates some kind of negativity in front of the interviewer. Because when we are working in an organization as a team, we have to be socially also sometimes, right?
Yes, sir.
So, or to become a leader, we have to be very much socially strong. We should have a good listening with all the team members. So that is needed to become a leader or the manager or the if you want to go for the higher level positions, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, all set. Best wishes, best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
How you liked the mock interview of today or not?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Nice meeting after a very long time. Any remark from Rathod sir?
No, he's good. Arush, you're really good. Yeah, you can organize your answers a little more better way you have the capability. So before answering, please think, organize them, and then answer. Right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
your weaknesses, what you said, I don't think they are right. So please analyze yourself again.
Yes, sir.
Your communication skills are not bad at all. So you can't say my communication skills are not good or I want to improve. So there must be other things which you may like to improve. So please do an introspection.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Arush. I think you have got the feedback for today for you itself, right?
Yes, sir.
I think you can easily improve. Or we are hopeful that you will be in touch with your juniors, give guidance and give mentoring whenever
Yes.
or the way
Yes, sir.
it can be required by us. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Any suggestion? Any suggestion from your side, Arush? You want to give to the institute? Because you are
Sir,
passed
everything
out.
is good.
You are passed out, so your feedback matters a lot to us.
Sir, everything's great. Having virtual interviews and all.
That's really nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.